Hi there, students. I had a request to make a video about the word personalization. Okay, personalization is a noun. The verb is to personalize. In British English with an S, both of them, and in American English with a Z, so you can spell it either way. Okay, personalization is the act of adapting something for somebody's needs, yeah? Making something suitable for a particular person or for the particular needs of a person. So, I don't know, you install your operating system in your computer and then you personalize it, you set it up in the way that you want it. You could have personalized bath towels, so a bath towel with your initial on it. I think very often to personalize or personalization, this is to buy something which is probably mass made and then adapt it. It's not something that's bespoke, it's not something that's tailor made from the beginning. You have a base to start from, your commercial product, and then you personalize that to the specific needs of a person, yeah, to make something more suitable for a particular person, yeah, to alter it so that it's the way they like it or it meets the specifications that this person needs. So, for example, maybe you write an email, yeah, and you're going to send this to 1,000 customers. So you have your template and then you personalize it a bit. Maybe you put the person's name and you maybe put, I hope your kids are well, or I hope your dog's recovered from its operation. Yeah, and that would be a way to personalize it for each of your clients. So you're effectively altering it a little bit so that it fits more specifically to a particular person. And that's the idea of to personalize, to make something suitable for their needs. Okay, so to buy something that's mass made and then to alter it in certain little ways so that it has things that identify the owner or that are suitable for the owner's use. Okay, so yeah, he's got personalized shirts with his name embroidered on the front. Okay, so that would be personalization. Yeah, maybe you go to the shop and buy the shirts and then you personalize them, and that's the idea. So personalization, I think probably 5.5 in formality. Use it anywhere. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Personalization. Personalize.